Since the lockdown order, security agents have been charged with the responsibility of arresting defaulters and charging them to court. But then there is the issue that who defends these people and how are their pleas taken? Are lawyers present in court? Because lawyers are not exempted from the lockdown because they are not essential services. A legal practitioner, Babatunde Busari, sent us a video on his view.
It is important that the citizens whose rights are being curtailed by these regulations should be, afforded the opportunity, of defending themselves properly under the law. People have been arrested, people have been molested by some security agents, some have even been charged, to certain courts. Some have been convicted, some have been remanded, some have been sentenced and fines paid. My worry is some of these convictions, some of these proceedings may be rendered a nullity if they go on appeal. And the reason is because the right of the citizen to a legal practitioner of their choice is one that is guaranteed by the Constitution of our country. It will also interest you to know that the Administration of Criminal Justice Act and the Administration of Criminal Justice Law of Lagos State guarantees this same right. So it then raises the question of fair hearing. The people who have been impacted by the enforcement of this COVID-19 regulation are also entitled by law to be represented, to be defended. So in this light, I would suggest that some of these regulations should be modified, should be looked at and modified to accommodate lawyers as persons providing or professionals providing essential services, because it becomes difficult for an accused person who have been alleged to have committed a COVID-19 regulation violation to have access to their lawyers. So this, I think, is a very important point for us. Number two, I would like to say very quickly that anytime administration of justice is an issue, lawyers are critical stakeholders. And so in this vein, I would like to implore the Nigerian Bar Association. I know the leadership of the Nigerian Bar Association have been doing so much with regards to advancing the rights and interests of lawyers in Nigeria. So I want to encourage them to take a second look at these provisions and perhaps engage the necessary authorities, because I believe this will be a win-win situation for everybody. It is important that the citizens whose rights are being curtailed by these regulations should be afforded the opportunity of defending themselves properly under the law.